Hello and welcome back to the Albuquerque Rail Yard and to the first video under the new name New Mexico Heritage Rail. It's been over 5 months since we visited the turntable, so let's get to work. First off, there is a rail hanging over the pit that needs to be removed so the turntable can make a 180-degree turn. Looks like it's getting easier.
I could almost do it with my teeth. If it weren't for that WD-40, I would.
Other way, Mark.
Other way.
A lot more guys do it at one time.
10, usually, to build the rail.
Per bolt?
Oh, not per bolt.
Crew is 10.
Yeah.
Hopefully not per bolt.
That's hand
Why do you think it's on there so well?
Is it?
No.
No. It's got a washer on one end, so.
I wonder if it's a band.
No, it's coming. Give it a good
Start on the other
spritz.
side now.
Right, and it's been broken because I can see a gap now. I think we just.
There we go.
There we go.
Yeah, there it is. Go get him, Marty! Go get him!
There's those two spikes we are.
I feel one.
Tension at the same time.
Yeah, there we go. Just a little help.
There you go, Janet. You got it.
Now, I don't know what it's called, but that piece of metal is holding multiple pieces.
Nice job.
Look at how much
It's
that
terrible.
busted away.
Oh, join. Yeah, join. I don't know what else to do with the pipe. Drive that in like a wedge. Each way.
It's moving. Keep going. Oh. Scared me. Hey, we got 2 pieces of rail.
There you go.
You have to open it so you make lock it back.
Just cheat a little bit.
How much is that rated for?
A lot more than this.
Oh no, your license plate.
All right.
Well, that's a long one.
A little bit further.
I think you got it!
He was just doing it
You're
for the
good.
camera. Then, the first step of the teardown is to remove all 408 rail spikes before we can pull off any of the rail. Oh, that was so...
I'll play basketball.
Yeah.
I'm not good at that. I work on a railroad. I don't do sports.
You're not good at golf either. Ooh, interesting.
Now, see that? Yeah, whatever works. I know. Some of them are.
So my goal, except for when too many. That's why I play basketball. let you know.
Wonderful.
It seemed like you knew that.
I felt that one. That's good. Oh yeah. Let me have that again.
Holy moly! What happened to this poor
Well,
little
look at
guy?
the, well, look at the tie. Look at the tie.
Right.
Oh wow,
Probably gonna be big.
they are.
Yeah.
Admittedly,
No, a little
you're
more.
right.
Okay.
Howard's not under the turntable. Yay!
We got a right side range for them.
Let's get something underneath that.
Marty, grab
Grab
that tie.
Grab that chunk of tie.
Howard, our welder, welded up this lovely sled-like piece of metal that bolts onto the end of the rails. So when we slide them off the turntable, they don't catch on every single tie on their way off.
Okay, you got the slack.
You're moving. Watch out, Howard.
Wish there was a little ramp right there.
Stop!
Okay, hang on a sec. Okay, hold that.
We got it.
There you go.
Okay, load is let down. Okay.
Can you see it, Marty?
Then, for the outside rail, Howard fires up the blowtorch to take off the hardware that's holding it down. Time for the turntable to make its first 180-degree turn in decades. Nice. We already.
Year 2020.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support us and our endeavors, please go to our website at 2926.us and donate or even become a member if you like. If you live near Albuquerque, please consider becoming a volunteer. We need more hands and more dedicated folks to keep these beasts running. My name is Kinda Circle. I am your host. And me and the turntable. We'll see you next time.
There he goes.
Well, they run the engine, same engine.